Hello students, good morning all and welcome back to our YouTube channel Noble Environment Academy. It's me Balkumari Thapa, coordinator of the primary level and the head teacher of Montessori UKG of Noble Environment Academy. Okay students, how are you all? I know you all are fine and I am also fine. Okay, at first, all of you ready to do our exercise? Are you ready? Oh, yes. Once again, are you ready? Oh, yes. Okay, now. About science subject and the topic is living things and non-living things. Okay students, do you know what is living things and what is non-living things? Okay, I tell you, living things means those things which have life are called living things. Living things means those things which have life are called living things. And what is non-living things? Non-living things means those things which do not have life are called non-living things. At first, I have here some materials today's exercise, and I give the introduce of all the materials. Okay, this is mat made by cotton, color is green, and shape is rectangle. Okay students, what is this? Okay, this is mat. And which shape is this? Shape is rectangle. Okay, here is I have one tray and made by wood. Color is brown and shape is rectangle. And inside the tray here are you see many things. This is word list made by plastic and paper. Color is pink and shape is rectangle. Shape is rectangle and here is written codes. And this is picture card made by plastic and paper. And this is model of living things and these are model of non-living things. Students, introduction is finished. Now we will start our exercise and the topic is, I say once again, living things and non-living things. La I bha I na ga living, ta ha I na ga sa things. Living things, another and na ana non, la I bha I na ga non-living, ta ha I na ga sa things. Living things and non-living things, today's our topic. And non-living things are so many, but I write here some name. Okay, at first we read living things. La I bha I na ga living, ta ha I na ga sa things. Living things like are ma and man, woman, all human beings are living things. Just like you, me, I also living things. I need food. I go one place to another place. And I grow small, baby to young, then old. So man is also living things. Okay, next one. Ba, I, ra, da, sa, birds. All birds are living things. This is picture of birds. Birds can fly. Birds can move, and they can fly with the help of their wings. Birds need food. Birds can grow. So birds is also living things. And next one, ka, a, wa, cow. Ka, a, wa, cow. Cow is also living things. Cow is animals. This is only model of cow. It is not real. It is also living things. It need food. It move one place to another place, and it can grow. So it is also living things. And cow is also living things. Not only cow, all domestic animals are all living things. And next one, spider. Spider. This is model of spider. This is model of spider. It is only model, not real. All insects are living things. All insects reproduce their child, and they can grow. All insects move one place to another place. And next one, flower. Flower is also living things. It can also need food. It also need food, and it can grow. All plants are living things, not only flowers. And next one, elephant. Elephant is also animals. It is also living things. And next one, fish. This is a picture of fish. It is not real, and fish also living things. It can move one place to another place, and it can grow. It need food. It can move with the help of wings to swimming. Fish is also living things, and all water animals are living things. Next one, sheep. Sheep is also domestic animal. It can also need food. It can also grow, and so it is living things. And next one, dog. Dog is also living things. Okay, living things name. Once again we read: man, birds, cow, spider, flower, elephant, fish, sheep, dog. It's all are living things. Okay, we read now non-living things. Non-living things is just opposite characteristics of living things. And non-living things are, write your name. Non, living, non-living, things. Non-living things. Book. This is book. Book is non-living things. It do not grow. It do not need food. It do not move one place to another place. So it is non-living things. Pen, pencil. Pencil. This is pencil. Pencil also non-living things. Shirt, stone. Sa-ta-ana, a stone. Stone is also non-living things. This is stone. Ball, ball. Ball, ball. This is ball. Ball is also non-living things. It cannot move. It do not grow. So it is non-living things. Car. Car. Car is also non-living things. This is picture of car. Saw a house. Saw a house. House, we live in house, and house is also non-living things. This is picture of house. Table, a table. Table, a table. Table. This is table. This is table. Table is also non-living things. It cannot move one place to another place. It do not need food. It do not grow. So it is non-living. Marker. This is marker. Marker is also non-living things. Jug. We find jug in our kitchen. Okay, this is jug. Jug is also non-living things. Now we finish the name of living things and non-living things. Now we read the features of living things. So what is the features of living things, or what can the living things do? Okay, at first I say once again, what is living things? Living things means those things which have life are called living things. And okay, and what is the features of living things? What can they do? Living things grow. Living things grow. La I bha I na ga living. Ta ha I na ga sa things. Living things. Ga awa grow. Living things grow like this. Here is a small baby, and then turn to child, then turn to young, and then old. Human beings are grow like this. And all living beings are grow like small to young and old. And then next one, living things need food. La I bha I na ga living. La I bha I na ga living. Ta ha I na ga sa things. Living things. Na a da need. Fa a da food. Living things need food like this. Dog is eating food, and hen also eating food. All animals, insects, birds, and human beings, plants also need food. La I bha I na ga living. Ta ha I na ga sa things. Living things. Ma a bha a move. Living things move. All animals, insects, birds, water animals, and all human beings are living things. They can move one place to another place. They can. All fish are swimming at the wings, and all birds are flying with the help of wings to move one place to another place. And we also move one place to another place. We can go one place to another place, like I and you also. And next one is La I bha I na ga living. Ta ha I na ga sa things. Living things. Ba ra a ta ha a breath. Living things breath. Living things breath. Human beings also need breath. Plant also need breath. So all are living things. All animals, insects, birds are need breath to life. So all need breath, and they are all living things. Now, what are non-living things? we read what is the features of non-living things, what cannot they do. Okay, at first I say what is non-living things. Non-living things means those things which do not have life are called non-living things, and their characteristics or features are here. Okay, non, living, non-living, things, do, not, do not, grow. Non-living things do not grow. Non-living things do not grow. Non-living things are just opposite to living things. Non, living, things, non-living things, do, not, do not, need, for food. Non-living things do not need food. Non-living things do not need food. Non, living, things, do, not, move. Non-living things do not move. They cannot move on their self. Non, living, things, do, not, breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things do not breathe. Okay, students, now let's read once again with me together. Okay, at first, living things and non-living things. Living things name: man, birds, cow, spider, flower, elephant, fish, sheep, dog. And they can do. Living things grow. Living things need food. Living things move. Living things breathe. And non-living things are book, pencil, stone, ball, car, house, table, marker, jug. And they do not. Non-living things do not grow. Non-living things do not need food. Non-living things do not move. Non-living things do not breathe. Okay, students, today's exercise is finished. Now I give you some homework. Write question number 1. Write the name of living things. Write your living things name and non-living things. Write here non-living things name. Make like this column and write your living things name and non-living things name. And question number 2. Write any 4 features of living things. Write any 4 features of living things. And question number 3. Write any 4 features of non-living things. Write any 4 features of non-living things. Okay, students, today our online class is finished. Now we see you next class. Okay, students, bye bye. Thank you.